Hey there, business owners. If you're in PUNE and looking for top-notch packaging solutions, let me introduce you to ASN Packaging Private Limited. These guys have been in the game for over 15 years, and trust me, they know what they're doing. ASN Packaging specializes in manufacturing all kinds of packaging machines tailored for various sectors. Whether you're in food, pharma, electronics, or even the automobile industry, they've got you covered. Their high-speed machines include carton sealers, tapping machines, strapping machines, shrink wrapping machines, and vacuum packaging machines. Time is money, right? ASN's high-speed packaging machines are designed to maximize your productivity. Imagine sealing, tapping, and strapping your products in record time. These machines are built to last, reducing your maintenance costs and ensuring consistent performance. What sets ASN apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. So if you're looking to elevate your packaging game, look no further than ASN Packaging Private Limited. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a well-packaged product is a well-presented product.